Let's unbox my new DedCool perfume. So this is the box. It says DedCool on it, but it's under the stickers. Otherwise, it's a very plain cardboard box. I removed all my identifying information on the mailing sticker, so that's what that is. Otherwise, I haven't opened this yet. So let's get this opened. Yes, I'm using a seam ripper. Here we go. This is what the inside of the box looks like. It is nicely wrapped. It's orange. It says DedCool. I like that it's wrapped in recyclable paper. So this is my perfume box. This is, I got the Perfume Blonde 03. This is what the box looks like. It's so pretty. And it has this kind of velvety texture to it. Very nice. Okay. So I've also got samples. So what's this one? So here we have two samples. We have a sample of Aura. And this is Blonde, little fragrance sample. And then I got two more samples that I purchased. Blonde, I believe, is the one that came with this. And Aura came for free with the purchase. So now I also have Sunlit Blooms. And this one is Red Dakota. All right, I'm super excited. If you like this kind of video, please keep watching and keep an eye out for my reviews of these samples because I'm excited, super excited. Okay, let's see what Aura smells like on first impression. Just open this up. I don't know. There's something off-putting in there. It smells fishy. Yeah, I don't know what that is. I have to see. I have to spray it and see. So, Red Dakota. I'm just going to spray it on this piece of toilet tissue. See what it smells like. Ooh. I really like this. It's really, really nice. It's citrusy. It smells like it has magnolia in it. It says gardenia, amber, and bergamot. Oh, 3 scents I absolutely love. I definitely smell them in there. All right. Let's see. Sunlit Blooms. It's sweet. Orange blossom. Sweet orange blossom. Yes, white florals. It's kind of salty. And vanilla. I'm not sure. I like it, but I think I'd have to wear it to decide if I like it enough to wear. Not sure. So question, question, question. And now let's see. Aura. Right off the bat, there's something funky about this, which isn't bad because perfumes always have something in there that might be off-putting on its own to give them depth, so I'm not sure. Let's see what this one smells like. Yeah, I don't like this one. It's just very dull and bland. It smells like air freshener to me. Okay, I'm not a fan of Aura. Aura, I am definitely not a fan of. I won't be spraying this on myself or trying it at all. So that one's gonna be tossed because I don't like it. This is all personal preference. So please don't use me as a person to decide on what fragrance to use. That's what I like that DedCool gives you samples. Trying to decide which of these two I want to wear today. Trying to decide if I want Sunlit Blooms or Red Dakota. It says Red Dakota is fresh and zesty, unmistakably optimistic, and smells like Mediterranean citrus groves. Feels like your personal villa. I've been to the Mediterranean, so I don't know what they mean by that. It's mostly just rocky beaches. They're not sandy. It is very warm though and pretty. And Sunlit Blooms, just sweet enough to radiate warmth, definitely. Smells like white orange blossoms at high noon. Feels like an 80-degree day with nowhere to be. Do you want me to read the French? It says the same thing. I'm not going to embarrass myself by doing that, so. Let's try this one, since I'm wearing nothing. It's a very pretty, very salty, kind of sunscreen smell, but in a good way. I like it, but I don't like it because it smells like a sunscreen I used to wear in the 90s. And it's bringing back some kind of not so good memories. But it's really pretty. Actually, it's very pretty. It's a very pretty perfume. If you like Orange Blossom, you will like this, but something about it just makes me feel not good. I have connotations with that scent that I'm not fond of. So I'm gonna wash this off and I will be right back to try Red Dakota. Okay, so now let's try Red Dakota. I really liked this when I sprayed it on tissue, so I'm thinking I'm really going to like this one. Oh, it's so pretty. It's very warm and fizzy smelling. smells kind of like a blood orange. Does this have blood orange notes in it? I don't know. But there's this citrus grove smelling to it. It does smell like a citrus grove. It's very interesting and unique. Very zesty. I think I liked it more in the bottle than I do on my skin. In the bottle, it's lovely. And when I sprayed it on the tissue, it was lovely. But on my skin, as it dries down, it just smells like, I want to say luminol, like citronella. It smells like citronella, like the citronella you put out to get rid of bugs in the summer. I also don't like it. It's very, yeah, I don't like Red Dakota. It's not me at all. I don't like that smell. No. I'm gonna wash this off and I'm going to be back to put on the beauty, which is blonde. Let's open blonde. This box is so beautiful. And here we have the perfume bottle itself, which is so pretty. It's got a barcode on the front and it says DedCool and it says fragrance number 03, genderless and vegan, made in Los Angeles. Oh, such a pretty bottle. So nice. So this perfume, blonde, is black violet and saffron. It says violet noir et saffron. It's genderless. It's alcohol, it has the ingredients. What are the fragrance notes? Is it on here? Juniper berries and saffron, violet and rose. So I absolutely love this scent, and I'm going to use up the little tester before I even spray that bottle. I love this so much. Oh yes. Juniper, violet, rose, a little citrusy. It's soft. It's a little powdery, a little salty. It's very, very pretty. This smells so good. Always remember that perfume is very, very personal. I mean, very personal. Everybody reacts differently to a perfume, so you might find something just unmistakably beautiful in the bottle, and when you spray it on yourself, it doesn't work with your chemistry. That's what happened with Red Dakota. Like in the bottle, it smells so good, and sprayed on me, it's just citrus grove, like citrus oil. I don't smell any gardenia. I don't smell any amber. All I smell is citrus oil. While somebody else sprays it, they might smell the gardenia because of their body chemistry. For me, with this, I get violet and rose. The most beautiful violet. I love violet. And this is stunning. Stunning violet, stunning rose. The juniper is in there. It's a little bit citrusy, a little bit salty, a little bit powdery. Not heavy on any of them, but it's just a beautiful feminine scent. And I really love it. I do not see men wearing this. I know they're saying it's gender neutral, but this isn't the kind of smell that I would like on a man. This isn't. I like men wearing heavy, musky smells. So this wouldn't fly with me on a man. I don't think most men would even want to wear this. Would this smell good on some men? Yes. Yes, it would. I'm not saying that they can't wear it or that it's strictly a feminine scent. It's just not one that I think would vibe with most men. But it's gorgeous. Oh, it's so pretty. So that's my review and unboxing of the DedCool perfumes that I got. If you like this kind of video, please like and subscribe. My name's Mimi, and I'll talk to you later.